Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Sourav classes. This is Chino Thakur, and in this class, I'm going to give you a very important information. This information is related to those aspirants who are preparing for ACET examination, which is upcoming in October month. So, Sourav classes, as you know, they are best in ACET examination, and they have given lots of people who scored a very good marks in this examinations. So we are launching a crash course for 28 days. So this course will help you to score much more marks to be appear in this paper. So ACET examination, you are know about all the important informations which is related to that paper, how many parts they had and what type of paper this is. So in this video, I'm not going to tell you each information related with this paper, but in this video, I'm just going to tell you about the crash course which Sourav classes is launching and in small video. So let's start today's class, and this class will be really helpful if you're preparing this paper. This is the site of this paper. So I brought you on direct website so you can get every important information related with the paper. So I'm going to give you the information. I'm going to give you the exact date, the examination date, and that will be 26 October. Okay, so let's see how Sourav class will train you in this 28 days period. These are some important features of this paper. For example, the distribution of questions. There are 25 questions for 1 marks, 20 questions for 2 marks, and 5 questions for 3 marks. So all in all, there are 3 hours on 100% 100 marks online examination, and that have 70 multiple choice questions MCQ. Okay, the allocation of marks will be as under. So they are giving the allocation of also. For example, mathematics, they are giving 30 marks, stats, they are giving 30 marks each, and data interpretation, they are providing 15 marks, English, they will give you 15 marks, and logical reasoning, they that had 10 marks, okay, that has 10 marks. So ACT will be conducted in a single day with 1 slot, so there will not be any negative marking. These all informations you must be aware of. Okay, so let's see how Sourav crash course will help you to get good marks on these things. Okay, so guys, welcome to Sourav classes, and this is new crash course launch. That is for ACET examination. The upcoming date for this examination is 26 October 2024. So are you ready to start your course? So this is a smart course for smartly people, and you can get a very good score with the help of this. So ACET crash course, it's a high intensity boot camp for October 2024. Okay, so that will be really helpful guys, because the duration of this course will be 4 weeks, that is 28 days of action. Mission is master the ACET exam with confidence, and the mode will be of the paper or the course is online, offline both. That will be flexible, suiting your comfort. The strategy of this crash course will be learn, apply, test, and conquer, because all these points are helpful when you are preparing for this kind of tough and competitive paper. So as you know that Sourav classes are also always producing a very good result in ACET paper. So we have many successful ACET candidates as well. So this crash course will help you to achieve your success in this paper. Okay. So we are providing the week 1, week 2, or week 3. That kind we have week 4 program. So week 1 we are building the arsenal, that is math and stats variant. Your first week is all about getting armed with powerful tool, that is mathematics and statistics. We will help you to sharpen your analytic blades so you can slice through the toughest problem with ease. And there will be multiple introductory program, for example, test, quiz, MCQ, and multiple thing which we are providing you for your crash course purpose. So this will really help you guys. So you have to make a call to your administration team, and our administration team there helps to make admission for that crash course, and that will give you all important information regarding the fees, what will be the fee structure of this course, and how it will be 100% refundable. And if it is 100% dependable, that I don't think there is a need of any kind of fear or something, right? So in week 2, we will do logical reasoning. That is the ultimate puzzle solver, okay? And this week we enter the labyrinth of logic, where only the sharpest minds find their way. Sourav classes will give you the edge to navigate complex reasoning scenarios with speed and precision. Why is this so? Because everyone giving you reasoning thing, okay? There are multiple type of YouTube's channel as well. But what Sourav class is giving you, they makes tough, or we can say they makes a really difficult kind of paper as per the ACET paper, which connected all the logical reasoning and latest pattern of logical reasoning, which is important for your paper. Okay, so this is the thing which have in week 2. In week 3, we have financial states thing, financial mathematics and cracking, the money code, and it is also connected with the stats. So all in this week, we are covering the important things which is connected to this subject. And in this papers, we have to take the financial mathematics, unlocking the formula to time and money. And in this intense week, you will become fluent in handling everything from interest rates to annuities like a pro. Okay, so then week 4, and in week 4, final war prep. Okay, and in final war prep, the champion's journey, we will give you some more important information in this journey. What will be that, and how Sarabsa class give you strength in your paper? So they will give you full mock test phase 2, full length mock test under exam like conditions, and these simulations will give you the ultimate feel of the real ACET paper. Okay, and they will give you the better strategy discussion, because Saurabh sir will lead a live session discussing time management, guessing strategies, and overcoming exam pressure. So this week Saurabh sir class will be there to make a successful crash course for you guys. So if you want to be successful in this paper, so just start your journey and contact to Saurabh classes. We have our website, that is www.saurabhclasses.com, and I'm just providing the contact number in the comment section as well, so you can easily connect with the administrative team. So all the very best for you guys to take this course. This course will help you. Okay, so bye bye, take care.